We all know that S-400 missile system is an anti-aircraft weapon system developed in 1990s by Russia's Almaz Central Design Bureau. And this was as an upgrade for the S-300 family, and it has been in service with the Russian Armed Forces since 2007. The main intention to speak about this particular missile system, which India is very soon to induct, is to understand the role it would play during the border dispute between India and China. Let's quickly see how did China acquire this missile system from Russia before India and place an order for the same. On 13 April 2015, the chief executive of the Russian state-run arms trader Rosoboron Export confirmed that China secured a contract for the purchase of S-400 air defense system, and the same will be approved by the Russian President Vladimir Putin as well. The S-400 delivery began in January 2018, and China test-fired the same for the first time in early August 2018. The acquisition of S-400, consisting of 6 batteries, significantly improved the country's ability to defend its own airspace, and it also served as an effective standoff weapon against air attacks. With the 400-kilometer coverage range, aircraft in disputed areas off the coast could be targeted by this SAM from the mainland itself. So this was obviously an addition to the power of China to safeguard its own airspace. Further placement of these missile systems provided a better support for China to protect their airspace and making it difficult for United States and Japan to deploy combat aircraft. Now coming to India, the $5.4 billion deal between India and Russia to buy 5 S-400 long-range SAM systems was inked on 5 October 2018. Dr. Subhash Bamre announced the same in Parliament that deliveries would commence from October 2020 and would be completed by April 2023 tentatively. According to the latest update, Russia has agreed to look at ways to advance the delivery of S-400 missile defense system following India's request amid growing tensions along the line of actual control with China. This discussion was confirmed during Defense Minister Rajnath Singh's meeting in Moscow with the Russian officials. Even though the first delivery was originally scheduled for late 2021, India now expects Russia to send the first of 5 S-400 batteries in 2020 itself. India is actually planning to deploy 3 S-400 on the border with Pakistan and 2 of them with the China border. Russia will reportedly send 1 S-400 battery per year, with all the 5 expected to reach India by 2024 tentatively. The S-400 would give India's military the ability to shoot down aircraft and missiles at any type of ranges. Even though China owns the S-400 before India, everyone sees China as a potential military threat for India, but that's not the case. According to some sources, there are 2 separate features of S-400 in an Indian context. The first is that the system includes a variety of radars which offer the opportunity to enhance India's airspace awareness capabilities, and if properly integrated, it will give options for linking and enhancing the capabilities of other SAM systems which is already in use. The second feature is the system's defensive abilities using the range of missiles which form the part of S-400 complex. These are genuinely formidable against fixed wings, rotary and cruise missile targets, as well as proving some ballistic missile defense options. So we have to just wait and see when these S-400 are getting delivered to India and where actually they are going to be deployed by our armed forces. So that was a quick update regarding Russia expediting the delivery of S-400 for India. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.